Name school.
I'm Gianna Villar. We are from Dr. Carlos Camping College in the University
I'm also from Dr. Carlos and with other questions regarding
Anong subject niyo? Anong subject?
Mag-guess na wala yung meeting.
Science.
Kung gano'n.
Science. Dr. Carlos Lantigaldes. Kandansura, Barangay Sangandaan. You are here at what barangay?
Barangay Baisa.
Sino, alam ba niyo kung sino ang ating barangay captain here?
Barangay Eduardo.
Okay, Barangay Eduardo.
Kami
Why did you... Bakit niyo piniling Barangay Baisa, not Barangay Kalipa? Na nakakatakot yun sa Dr. Carlos Lantigaldes.
I am from Baisa, Malato, specifically, and we are more familiar with our rather than
Barangay Kalipa. Okay, sige. We start. Your first question is, how important is conservation of energy of this barangay? In the first place, you are at Barangay Baisa. I am Ruben Garendo,
bakit nandito naman ng electrical sa lamesa nito?
Barangay Administrator of Barangay Baisa. The instruction of our Barangay Captain Eduardo Arjuan is to give you some highlights of, with regards to your question. Okay. Your first question is, how important is conservation of energy for this barangay? How? Sa Tagalog, yung how ay gaano kahalaga. Napakahalaga po. Dahil ang energy na nasisave natin sa isang araw will be used to other constituents of this barangay for that purpose. And ay magtipid ng enerhiya like electricity, only electricity lang, diba? Itong how, dapat paano pina-practice ang aming barangay sa conservation. One is, during break times, we shut off lights. Schedule the opening of lights. We do not leave it always open. When it is break time, we close it immediately. At kung halimbawa walang gamit o walang tao sa isang lugar, see to it that all the lights will be closed. Yun ang paraan para makapagsipid kami ng kuryente. Light, district lights. We schedule and lighting. Pero as far as the barangay is concerned, we keep on informing the constituents, advising them how important is the conservation of energy. Kasi hindi naman kami gumagamit, sila gumagamit. So ina-inform namin, keep on reminding the people of Barangay Baisa to strictly conserve energy. Yeah. Number 3. Tama ba yan? O sige, number 3.
This year, 2015, the government already announced that there will be a power shortage in our country starting in one of the basic foundations of our government. What are your future plans in preservation of the energy in our country?
As I have said, future plans. Future plans is, kagaya ng sinasabi ko nga kanina, keep on reminding. Present plan is also the future plan. huwag mag-aksaya ng ilaw kuryente. Kung walang gamit, kung pagkatapos gamitin, automatic, siya-shut off mo ang kuryente. Ganon ang mga future plans. But what else? Pwede naman siguro yung binibanggit ko muna. Constituents will help cooperate in your support program. Yes, yes. 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 Tutulakan ba? Pwede. Yes. We are confident. We are sure because we see to it na pagka sinabi namin, inaantay namin gawin nila. Hindi yung pagka sinabi mo, o patayin mo, tama na. No. We see to it that our instructions are being done. We see to it that it is being followed. So, what method?
Ano po, yung mga bagay po na makakatulong sa pagtutupid ng kuryente, yung mga recommend niyo po sa kanila.
Kagaya ng sinabi ko, as practice here in our office is being echoed to the constituents. Right? Kung hindi mo ginagamit ang ilaw, patayin. Kasi kung minsan, yung ibang bahay, nakakalimutan nila o walang presence of mind. Maliwanag na, alas 6, alas 7, alas 8 na nakailaw ka sa labas. So, we keep on reminding.
Pagod ka lang kayo sa mga solar energy, di ba yung mga na-invest na
Yes, yes.
May plano po ba kayo na yung mga street lights?
The higher authorities and some of the projects here at Barangay is the installation of the solar system. Yes, we agree on the processes by way of which to conserve energy by using that solar process to conserve energy and to restore energy. Pagka wala ng sunlight, doon naman mo gagamitin ngayon. Well, thank you and good luck sa inyong school. Hope you could successfully also pass your subject. Okay, sige, salamat.